president emanenko because eniaba bebre ho or ya emwa police administration.
Correct.
In fact, me can ofia say no police officers are. They are not happy with the current IGP. And the Jumedia Odino intimidations. Any Hunane Sanya Mano. Omudi Yao Pa Ewa Dampare. Now, Aqua say we a penina to pose swa. The way in your crowd don't intimidate country. Now, I am not surprised if the IGP is to go. Now, qua police for the one any budget.
Yeah.
So, Mike,
and what did you see?
And police for the first time in the history of this republic. Say, Yapam police IGP, not police for be a jubilate or barracks. You will be shocked. Yeah? Video ni. And mama me sound no.
We thank God. We thank God for that. For listening to our President of Mama, God bless you. We have really listened to our prayers. Hey, freedom forever. Freedom forever. You can see the jubilant. Everybody's jubilant. Hey, police. Look at the jubilant from everywhere. Everybody's happy. Oh, at long last. At long last. At long last.
You catch them say, all is not well with this current IGP. And ye betrani ye kasa ye ni munkoma ye di. And people will think say ebia we are exaggerating. Dampare started very well. Otherwise Kufuado. He didn't end well. I'm telling you. He had a good will. IGP BN Ghana waba when you had the goodwill of Ghana for Dampare. No police IGP. And I will be a who a Jane and he say John Ronaldo Danko Akufo-Addo Abo Dampare din. In the ranks on order of merit, now you are about 3-4 senior officers. I will answer another Dampare aba. In police hierarchy, so no one kasa akoto aba. Edi IGP ananko mo nkwa appointed Dampare. But he had his charisma. Otimi boy e maneuver any way. Emma police for any outside. Any case at the manoma. Obia who say Dampare was to be appointed. So Mike, right. You're appointed Dampare. Na oye ni niema. Na oye ni niema. Na ye kase kurei ma ye tie. Ye yo if you say ewiase to start is not a problem. But say the work can to finish it. Na Dampare nyuma wa start ya oye no. O performance dodo. Ewiase o performance too much. Eya na anu eden.
Ona be brand commission won.
Yes. Then I'm saw them. Me kase no wa be TV. And the police for TV.
Yeah.
Awiana mote so na mo live band
traffic light.
Jana mo traffic light. Police for ITTD for esenkom ko any radio stations e partner ni etimi nya education edema. Uso bia nkasa. PR for you made them toothless bulldogs. God in here no wa
the popular here no.
The popular Asante regional.
But so now.
Former regional police PR Mohammed Tanko. Asante region near police bureau near friend Tanko. Tanko beji dinya all because he was there and assembly here na yetimi friend. And then ye boni petio ye kum nipa Asante region insecurity koso. Woni wo bia be kwa bi sanse. E dia na ekoso.
Statement near different craba.
Assemblly wo drobonso. Drobonso commandant Minkasa, Asante Regional Police Commandant Minkasa, ni asende signal de konkan, ya twa nkran ansa na nkran fatimi aba be kasa. Ayi onidi nwie a o ma menkasa. De na ekọ de nim hwe. Police fu abo barrier ewo Isuke. Ebi abobi wo kwada so, ebi abobi wo Asuobo a.
me nya be fo ansa
truck drivers are eba so full won bedu so full line no na police fo gina ho ejeje ayi akohoma
akoma fo so chief na aba no akoma fo
ahanyo ayi yahunu
ya Christian yahunu
ono so jeje
no ye MTTD
yawu
akoma fo chief na aba
dia na say
no ye MTTD
from frying pan to fire
dia akoma fo chief
EZRA
ya bregu
ba ebia no wo ho no na nye ho
ya bregu ya bregu wo si
akoma fo chief na aba no no wo mbi
ai na me no ka say drivers bra ebre so for life na no da ya me fa from ya ma me post ni kese kokko bi ne to set ye ni pi driver over bason wo kwa akotra ayenim no waje
baje 20 50
I mean
what is it
they indiscipline
ehun
ni ehun na police for udi agwa ebe yiwadi ya be transfer me say police for ko training am ebi no bedu ACP for more than 3 4 5 months you post to wo omba ye ba bia na omo no so omo ntimi san ko obiem omo tifie and now why what junior officer anko hu senior officer ye salute no nkwala binom ne apeke wo mo ne ama wo mo promotion na ya be sampany for the ranks I said junior officer di buo ne ani die e de ma no na wo ben IGP wo ye we nti nkwala e na detective e de kire police mpany for pasa we IGP akwala photographer small boy o free babia oni IGP na namunti o hu panimu a esen koye ni nsesei no otwa mprise na we ne buo ni ani die ni ho Dampare cause a lot of problem in police service
2 months to elections
I'm telling you
na me ne evangelist Wechekra ko baby you do a honjo run about 94.1 so no yan this ni enti me pack me car no na o yesa me enjoy because be e ko no na me car no ntimi nko me car no de e form na police officer jina o jina ya twa na oba ya o se chiame munya juma ndc for munya juma pa information bi ade baba mo so na mitima ye din na person born ni che police ni sanse training ya dai ati car no mo jai state police na nugu school e kasa wo se IGP Dampare kwa ho hinti ye beto ati MPP
I'm telling you
na say we can promotion waso waka ye nyina ye say
almost Jimmy Nkaso intimidation I have been saying it I've known Dampare personally before he became IGP
yeah say no can say mo be share try we yeah
way back at all around 2012 2013 mu ho baby young man the guy is a smart and he has a charisma. You will love him. Yeah.